much. So what's the ternary operator? So basically the picture which I have kept open in my desktop, that's what ternary operator is all about. We will be evaluating a condition, and based on that condition, after that there will be a question mark. If that condition evaluates to true, then expression 1 will be executed, and likewise if condition evaluates to false, then expression 2 will be evaluated. We will be taking a quick look into how the ternary operator works in Java, and how it differs from Python by doing a simple example. So from C I am changing the language to Java. So we'll be asking for the numbers. So there will be no ln. So there will be the input will be in one line. So what we will be doing is that we will be saying that please enter your marks. Fine, and it will be within integer. So we can use the byte as well. So byte, the range of byte is smaller than that of int. It is up to 127. So we don't need to make a bigger container in the memory location. We can work with a smaller container, that is byte. So we'll be saying in byte, and we'll be saying that a equals to sc.next byte. So now we need to declare the scanner class also in order to use the sc object of the scanner. So we'll be saying that scanner sc equals to new scanner, and this scanner will be taking the value from the system.in. So that's now the time comes for the ternary operator. So system, so you don't need to write system.out.println. we will be simply writing println, and your grade, maybe your grade is, and here we will be simply doing one operation, that is if a is greater than equal to 35 it will be pass, or if it is not the scenario, then it will be fail. So fail, fail. So that's it pretty much. Okay, so the program has been written. Let's run the program and let's quickly take a look what happens, what is the output. So I forgot to import the util package. Import java.util.star. Okay, so this will only be a comma, this will be a dot. Let's run the program and see what happens. Please enter your marks 23. Your grade is fail. Let's rerun the program and give a value something else like 35. Your grade is pass. Now comes the and now the same program I will be doing that in Python. So in Python the ternary operator works in a different way. So that's what I am trying to show you guys in this particular program. So we'll be having a variable inside a equals to integer, because input takes everything in string. So if you're using input, let me write the line first. Please enter your marks. So whenever we are taking something using the input, then it is being treated as a string. We need to convert it to integer. Now comes the print section. So print, we'll be saying that your grade is, and here will be a bracket, maybe dot format, and it will be if this will be pass. Your grade is a pass, and then we will be saying that if a is greater than equal to 35, else fail. I don't think the program might run, or maybe there will be some errors. Let's see what happens. Fine, let's run the program and see if there are any errors. Your marks 23, your grade is fail. So this is how ternary operator works in Python. So it would have looked nicer if there was some spaces in here. So let me rerun the program and see. Enter your marks. So if I'm giving 35, maybe your grade is pass. So that's for this short video tutorial on ternary operators in Java and in Python. So this is how within these braces, this format operation. So that's how we can pass in the something like this in Python. So hope you find this particular program intuitive, and let me know in the comment section how you like the video. Do give some throw some like, give some comments, subscribe to our channel. Basically what it will do is that it will boost my self motivation to make up more of such videos in the near future and upload it to my YouTube channel. That's all for this video, guys, and happy coding. See you next time for some another video. Thank you. So where is the stopper? Here it is. Let me stop the recording.